Okay, so this is a very simple tutorial for how to do a VLOOKUP. So let's say we've got a group of names here and we want to pull back which company they're associated with or data that's vertical in a set of data. So first things what we're going to do is actually we're going to call this data set here a name. Now what we want to do is when we're pulling out data in VLOOKUP, we always want to have the category or the name on the left hand side and the data that we want to pull back on the second most column. So what we're going to do is we're just going to call this data to look. Okay, so all I did there, I'm going to repeat again, was just select two columns and then just type it in the box up here on the left hand side, the name box. Okay, next what we're going to do is going to do our VLOOKUP. So what we're going to do is going to press equals VLOOKUP, double click on VLOOKUP, and then we're going to look up value. Then we're going to look up our table array, which is the data set that I named. So it's just going to be called data to look. And then what we want to do is we want to pull this data out of column D, which is our second column. And then we want to press false. That only brings back exact or approximate exact matches. Okay, so that's new code. And all we need to do then is just drag our data down.